While others sleep, China opens its talent vault. Here's your unfair recruiting advantage. October 1st, 2025, China launches the K-visa for young tech professionals. While your competitors are still posting job ads and waiting months for responses, you could be interviewing 10 qualified AI and robotics engineers in 30 days. This isn't just another hiring hack. This is about accessing a completely untapped pool of global STEM talent before anyone else catches on. Here are 3 strategies smart founders are already planning. First, talent arbitrage. Set up sourcing hubs in Shenzhen, Shanghai, or Beijing. Partner with top universities and lock in talent with proper IP protection. Second, the China pilot, Europe rollout model. Start small with 5 researchers, define clear milestones, then scale your discoveries back to European markets while keeping your IP in the EU. Third, structure and risk management. Create proper holding companies, map your data flows, and stay compliant with EU AI Act and export controls. The Second Journey Masterclass gives you decision maps, recruiting playbooks, NDA templates, and location guides with partner lists. Send K-Visa to reserve your spot before this opportunity becomes common knowledge.